It's now an hour later. We've come back to look at the dough in the banneton. It's just been resting at room temperature. And as you can see, it has grown a little bit. And if I just poke the dough, you can see that it does ping back, but it also leaves a very slight indentation. So I think that's now ready for the refrigerator. I'm going to put it in the fridge overnight, and what will happen is that the cool temperature of the fridge will slow down this fermentation process, but the flavours inside it will keep developing. The cold temperature will also firm up this dough, making it much easier to decorate and score in the morning. So cover it again. If you want to, you can cover it with a piece of plastic as well. I tend not to because I like my dough to be able to breathe. And I always feel if I'm covering it with plastic, then it's not going to be able to breathe as well. But in the fridge it goes, and then we'll see it again in the morning.